Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling developer options on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings and tap About Phone. On the About Phone page, scroll down and tap on Software Information. You now need to tap on build number 3 or 4 times until you see a message saying you are now 4 steps away from being a developer. Keep tapping on build number as it counts down. Once it gets to 0, you will have to enter your phone's passcode. Developer mode has now been enabled. To access the developer options, close the Settings app and reopen it again. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings and there will be a new setting called Developer Options. If you would like to disable developer options, you can just switch off this toggle at the top of the developer options and the options will disappear from your settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.